How to repost story on Instagram if not tagged. So if you are not tagged in a story, but you still would like to repost a specific story from someone or a person or whatever, then I'll show you how to do that. So if this video helps you out, please do let me know in the comments, but let's get started. So I am over here and let's say I would like to repost, for example, this story. Now with a picture, it's actually pretty easy. You can simply just screenshot it or whatever. But with an actual video, it's a little bit different. So what you can do if you want to copy a specific video is simply remember their exact username. So for this, it's very easy. It is literally Instagram. So what you can do then is then go to your browser and search for this website called storysaver.net. Now then, if you fill in their exact username and then click on download, you first have to do the CAPTCHA thing. So let's just do that real quick. And then over here, as you can see, this is Instagram. And then I think it was this video over here that we wanted to repost. Then click on save as video, click on download. Then you want to click on it. So right over here. At the bottom left corner, you want to click on share and then go ahead and save it to your Photos app. Then once you've done that, you want to go back to Instagram and then add something to your story. So click on the plus icon, then that video is right here. So that's exactly how you can do that. And then obviously it is kind of nice to, for example, just add the person, in this case, Instagram, to, for example, give credit, you know, and then, yeah, you can repost it just like that. So I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.